fire things off really quick here. So everyone keeps asking like, who tuned my Mustang and what the heck? Why is it so fast? And who tuned it? Like, I think everyone just keeps asking, what's the build? Who tuned it? Like, literally, I put all that stuff on my page, and it's everywhere on my social media pages. Like, okay, it's an ESS G3x fore fuel system, customish with the radium bucket, so we don't get the fuel slosh and we don't burn out pumps like we've been doing, you know, because the fore is good. I'll give it that. Fore is great. They stand behind the products. They really helped me out when I had some issues with the fuel pumps and the regulator. So fore is great. And what's even better is like I had like the parts for like a year, because if you guys remember, we bought the stuff up on Black Mustang, but then we had unfortunate events with the Black Mustang. So it was like almost a year later. Then we installed it on the Mustang, and they still warranted all those parts, you guys. So fore is great stuff, man. Awesome stuff. Great people. And they respond to emails. Like, that's freaking amazing. So that's basically the rundown of the car. Pretty basic stuff, you guys. Headers and cat back, whatever you want to call it. Like, we didn't even have any of that cat back stuff done or even installed when I had the Vortec initially. So skip all the cat back stuff. Make sure you do the headers though. Okay, that's huge. That's a good part. Headers. Get some boost application and a fuel system. Skip that boost to crap stuff. Skip the boost to pump stuff, you guys. It's not worth it. By the time you buy a boost pump, I mean, you're basically almost there to a fuel system, you know. So just do it, be done, because you already know you're gonna do it anyways. So you might as well just do it there. Like, I get it. It's a little more money, you know, $1,500, maybe $2,000 more, but like, you're literally already there. Just do it. So there you go. There's my basic rundown, you guys. No, there's not nitrous. I mean, the shop that worked on my car, like, people come in there weekly and ask about my nitrous setup. Like, why can't they find my nitrous setup and all sorts of crazy stuff, right? They're always asking questions. And the funniest part is, like, yeah, you can't find it because there's obviously no nitrous. That's why you guys can't find the nitrous line. It's not installed. There is no nitrous. We just been trolling everyone on it because people just cannot accept how fast these Mustangs really are with some boost, 10 or 80. Like, it's good. I mean, it's not the fastest thing, but like, it's a very solid platform, and you know, we're driving it daily. So all right, so we're gonna go for our amazing car wash. All right, we got a little sidetracked with the video, but so we need to look at the Mustang's engine bay here and show you guys what an ESS is, because no one knows what ESS is. No one even knew what a Vortec was. I gotta show you guys that, and then we'll talk about who tuned my Mustang and why I went with them. All right, we are back at home. I just gotta show you guys what an ESS supercharger is like. If you look, it says ESS, and it looks like a Pro Charger, and everyone's gonna say this is a Pro Charger. Like 99% of the time when people come up, it's a Pro Charger, even though it says ESS. That's just because, like, people just know Pro Charger as that, you know. If you see this, it's not turbo, it's Pro Charger. Like, that's just automatically what the community thinks. So it really takes a knowledgeable person or anyone with eyes to look, oh my god, it's ESS. Okay, but anyways, moving on forward. What's done to the Mustang, right? We got ESS. We did have the Vortec that sat over here. We are now ESS. Still the same fuel system, 1 regulator, 2 regulators. Those are my, fuel lines. Headers and X-pipe and Solo Performance axle backs. You guys don't even know what Solo Performance is, but it's basically a straight pipe with a little J-pipe, for a drone. So we're not going to take a look at that. Hey, actually, we will. Let's go take a look at mine. So everyone's going to give me crap, but oh my god, he didn't get courses. But these are what Solo Performance axle backs look like. Pretty much straight through design. And yes, it is very loud. But then they also have this J-pipe here. Oh, yeah, right there. And the drone is freaking amazing. So thank you, Solo, for designing something great. Because we can cruise and drive around and there'll be no drone. All right, so that's pretty much the build. There's really nothing to it. There's no nitrous. There's no nitrous in throttle body, no nitrous plates anywhere. There's no nitrous, you guys. A 10 or 80 car with a little bit of boost. Okay. Who tuned my Mustang, right? So we're not going to show the dyno numbers because we post up the dyno numbers like on Instagram, TikTok, and so I'm not even going to show those anymore. If you guys want to go see it, you can go take a look. Anyways, Majed tuned the car. Yes, he's from overseas. He's not from the States. And Majed and Mose, they do good work. They work together, and they really did a good job. You know, I'm very, very happy with how this Mustang has been. It's still the same Mustang as the Vortec kit, you guys. So don't be confused. Like, we weren't Lund. We were not Palm Beach. We were not anyone else. Everyone kept saying, go Lund, go Lund, go Lund, go Lund, go Palm Beach, go Palm Beach. Whew. I'm sorry to say, we raced a lot of Lund guys, a lot of Palm Beach guys, and I don't want to say who tuned those other Mustangs that I've raced, but yeah, you guys already know the answer. It was not a Majed car. It was, I'm not even going to say it, man, because those guys are hurt big time. They spend big money. I'm not saying that their cars aren't tuned to the moon, you know. This guy's not tuned to the moon either. But in general, I would say, like, if you go with a world record tuner, obviously they're not going to give you a world record tune. Okay? That's just how it goes. Yes, they're knowledgeable, very knowledgeable, and they're great. I have no problems with, you know, Lund, Palm Beach, any other tuner. It's just, they're probably not going to give you their world record tune for your little baby Mustang here, okay? So moving on forward here, why I went with Majed and not Lund or Palm Beach or anyone else, like, it just Bama, you know, why did I go with Majed for this Mustang, you know? Simply because back when we had the Vortec, it's kind of a long story. Back when we had the Vortec, track day was like coming up, you know, the weekend. The Mustang's been worked on, you know, getting stuff worked on. It's a long, lengthy process, you know. Anyways, I finished the car up like 5, 6 p.m. and the current tuner that I had kind of backed out. Basically, he just said, oh, time slot or something was not correct. So he didn't want to tune us. We're like, we need to go to the track and race. That's where basically I almost spun and hit the wall, you know. So anyways, we didn't have a tuner. And Lund didn't answer. Palm Beach didn't answer. That's why I didn't rep Lund or Palm Beach. And then Majed answered, and he said, yeah, let's do it. That's freaking sweet. Okay, that's what's up. Like, that's cool. If Lund would have answered, yeah, I probably would have been a Lund car. Palm Beach would have answered, I probably would have been a Palm Beach car. Simple. Like, it's just simple. Whoever answered got my business. And moving on forward with the Vortec, you know, being a 505 wheel, 750 wheel, 844 wheel on the Vortec, it was great. It was freaking amazing, you guys. If you guys have been part of the channel, it's been one tuner. And when I made 750, that was a freaking base map. I've been racing everyone all year long. And I was like, this is so much fun. I'm just going to keep it like this. Car runs great. Logs are great. AFRs are great. I don't know. So then we decided to go back and do a real tune with some timing. And we made 844 on the Vortec for one event at the airport. And then we went ESS. So ESS reached out to me. They said they love it. They love this Mustang and let's do it. So I was like, oh, all right, let's do it. And then I told Majed, like, hey, we're going to go ESS, you know, let's do it. And that's pretty much it. The shop said, let's do it. Shop said, let's do it. Majed said, let's do it. ESS said, let's do it. And I was like, I guess I can't say no, right? Can't say no. So that's where we are. And Majed's been great. People will say whatever they want. Some customers are great. Some customers aren't. I'm not saying everyone switch to Majed, okay? Majed works great for me, okay? Moving forward, like, the car works great for me. It does what I needed to do. AFR is great. Everything's great. We've been really running this car. Stock engine, stock trans. So with that being said, this is the ESS rundown, and we are tuned by Majed. So ESS and Majed, you know, it's a good combo. Guys, put some trust in them, build a good relationship with them, and they will take you very far in your platform. Don't flip-flop. I've seen in the Subaru community a lot. Guys will flip-flop every tune. I mean, why do that? They all know each other. Okay. Yeah. Stick with your tuner, like I said, and build a good relationship. The only time I would switch is if I was like going to a completely new setup. If I had one twin turbo, built block, built trans, maybe, you know, we would think about switching tuners. But like Majed has literally been so great, and there's no point to make a new relationship when I already have a good relation, right? So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Peace out.